Ever feel bored with the same old wall paint colors in your home? Want to change the atmosphere and bring in a fresh and inviting new feel? Well, Sherwin-Williams, a leading paint manufacturer, has the perfect solution for you. As an interior design enthusiast, I'm always on the hunt for new color inspiration. To spruce up my living spaces, this time, I'm excited to share 10 of the best Sherwin-Williams paints that are guaranteed to make your room stand out and be more Instagrammable. Curious about the colors? Keep scrolling to see them all. Number 1. Perfect Beige SW 62073 Perfect Beige from Sherwin-Williams is a versatile and popular color choice for homeowners looking to strike a balance between warmth and coolness in their spaces. This beige, which blends elements of gray and beige, offers a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere. Its mid-tone nature with a light reflectance value, LRV, of 42 ensures a balanced brightness level that suits various rooms throughout the home. With a hue angle of 3802 and a chroma of 8.41, Perfect Gray maintains a neutral family, making it compatible with a wide range of decor styles and color schemes. Its adaptability allows it to seamlessly integrate into living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens, offering a contemporary and timeless look. Overall, Perfect Gray is a versatile choice that brings warmth, sophistication, and a contemporary flair to any room it graces. Number 2. Iron Ore SW 7069. Iron Ore by Sherwin-Williams is a striking and bold charcoal gray color that exudes near-black intensity, making it an ideal choice for homeowners looking to create dramatic effects in their interiors and exteriors. With a light reflectance value, LRV, of 6, Iron Ore introduces a deep and rich tone that adds depth and character to any space it graces. The color's hue angle of 202.04 and chroma of 1223 contribute to its unique warmth, showcasing subtle brown undertones that further enhance its versatility. This warm black hue not only creates a sense of depth, but also brings a touch of sophistication and elegance to rooms, cabinets, front doors, and entire home exteriors. Number 3. Accessible Beige SW 7036 Accessible Beige from Sherwin-Williams is a versatile and popular choice for homeowners seeking to create a soft and welcoming ambiance in their living spaces. This light beige hue with subtle gray undertones strikes a perfect balance between warmth and coolness, making it a go-to option for a wide range of decor styles. With a light reflectance value, LRV, of 58, Accessible Beige introduces a gentle brightness that helps to open up and brighten rooms without overwhelming them. The color's hue angle of 38.22 and chroma of 8.64 highlight its grayish nature, showcasing its adaptability to both warm and cool color schemes. Overall, Accessible Beige is a versatile and adaptable color choice that brings warmth, sophistication, and a welcoming ambiance to living spaces. Number 4. Upward SW 6239. Upward, designated as the color of the year for 2024 by Sherwin-Williams, introduces a refreshing and serene light blue-gray hue that instantly elevates the ambiance of any room. This color, with its calming and spacious characteristics, is perfectly suited for a variety of spaces throughout the home. With a light reflectance value, LRV, of 57, Upward brings a balanced brightness that illuminates the room without being overpowering. Its hue angle of 202.29 and chroma of 1021 contribute to its unique light blue-gray tone, creating a harmonious blend that evokes a sense of tranquility and relaxation. Overall, Upward is a versatile and uplifting color choice that brings a sense of tranquility and serenity to any room it graces. Number 5. Whitetail SW 7103. Whitetail, a bright white paint color by Sherwin-Williams, presents a delightful alternative to cooler whites with its subtle hint of yellow undertone. This undertone imbues whitetail with a warm and inviting feel, making it an excellent choice for homeowners seeking to create a cozy and welcoming ambience in their living spaces. With a light reflectance value, LRV of 86, whitetail boasts a high level of brightness that helps to reflect light and create an airy feel in any room. Its hue angle of 88.73 and chroma of 633 highlight its subtle warmth, which adds a touch of comfort and homeliness to interiors. Overall, whitetail is a versatile and inviting color choice that brings warmth, comfort, and a cozy ambiance to any room it graces. Number 6. Inviting Ivory SW 6372. Inviting Ivory from Sherwin-Williams is a charming and versatile warm ivory shade that brings a touch of coziness and elegance to living spaces. This delightful color choice, with its inviting warmth, is perfect for homeowners looking to create a welcoming and comfortable atmosphere in their homes. With a light reflectance value, LRV of 70, Inviting Ivory strikes a balance between brightness and warmth, providing a soft and inviting glow to rooms. Its hue angle of 79.05 and chroma of 22.73 highlight its warm undertones, which contribute to its cozy and comforting appeal. Overall, Inviting Ivory's soft and inviting hue, combined with its compatory SW6372, is a versatile and charming color choice that brings warmth, coziness, and elegance to any room it graces. Number 7. Verigreen SW 9242. Verigreen, a lively and medium-toned green shade from Sherwin-Williams, characterized by its cool undertones that add a refreshing touch to any space. Light reflectance value LRV of 34, indicating that it reflects a moderate amount of light. This makes it a versatile choice suitable for various areas within your home, contributing to a balanced and inviting atmosphere. Verigreen offers a vibrant yet soothing presence with its medium green shade and cool undertones. Its moderate light reflectance value makes it adaptable for various applications, and its compatibility with a wide array of colors ensures effortless coordination within your home's aesthetic. Number 8. Stormcloud SW 6249. Stormcloud, a captivating color from Sherwin-Williams, brings a sense of drama and sophistication to any space with its dark and moody gray hue complemented by cool undertones. This unique color choice is perfect for homeowners looking to add depth and personality to their home interiors. With a light reflectance value, LRV of 23, Stormcloud introduces a low level of brightness, creating a sense of coziness and intimacy in the room. Its hue angle of 205.07 and chroma of 1223 emphasize its cool undertones, which add a touch of elegance and modernity to the overall aesthetic. Overall, Stormcloud is a bold and versatile color choice that adds depth, sophistication, and a touch of drama to any room it graces. Number 9. Paradise SW 6720. Paradise by Sherwin-Williams introduces a refreshing and tranquil light green shade that brings a touch of the outdoors inside, creating a natural and calming ambiance in various rooms throughout your home. This delightful hue, with its light and airy characteristics, is ideal for homeowners seeking a relaxing and serene atmosphere. With a light reflectance value, LRV of 18, Paradise emits a gentle brightness that infuses the room with a soft and soothing glow. Its hue angle of 114.57 and chroma of 42.26 highlight its vibrant yet subtle green tones, which evoke a sense of freshness and rejuvenation. Overall, Paradise is a refreshing and calming color choice that brings a natural and serene feel to any room it graces. Number 10. Oric SW 6692. Oric is a delightful and inviting yellow hue offered by Sherwin-Williams, suitable for both interior and exterior painting endeavors. Light reflectance value, LRV, 30. Oric falls on the darker end of the yellow spectrum. This makes it particularly suitable for rooms that receive ample natural light. Oric is an excellent option for rooms with plenty of natural light, thanks to its darker yet inviting shade of yellow. Its yellow-orange hue adds warmth and vibrancy to spaces, while its moderate saturation ensures a pleasant visual impact without being too overpowering. Whether used indoors or outdoors, Oric brings a cheerful and welcoming vibe to any project. With these 10 Sherwin-Williams paint colors, you have a fantastic palette to choose from, but if you're still feeling indecisive, let me share my personal favorites. 1. Upward SW 6239. This light blue is a breath of fresh air. It creates a calming and serene atmosphere. Perfect for a home office or a child's bedroom, I love how it opens up a space and adds a touch of tranquility. 2. Oric SW 6692. This soft pastel green is an absolute dream. It creates a peaceful and relaxing environment ideal for a bedroom or meditation room. I find it incredibly versatile. It pairs well with both light and dark tones, making it a great choice for creating a calming oasis. Ultimately, the best color for your space depends on your personal style and the feeling you want to create. But with Sherwin-Williams' vast selection and these inspiring options, you're sure to find the perfect shade to transform your home. Thank you.